Today we're finally at Batu Ferringhi beach area, and one thing we've been looking forward to is a waterfall at a place called Chen Farm. But the problem is today it is raining, as you can see. We're not going to let it stop us. We're going anyway and check out this waterfall. If anything, there's going to be more water rushing over the falls. So hopefully it's a worthwhile hike in the rain. Alright, this river is really overflowing. It's been very difficult to get to the actual waterfall, but we're going to try. We have to climb through the water, over slippery rocks, but we're determined because we made it this far. We're not stopping until we get to that waterfall.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kind of feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder.
Okay, I don't know if you're hearing me. It's pretty loud here, but that was awesome. Totally worth it. Glad we did it. Water was warm too. I wish I brought my bathing suit. I want to go swimming and slide down some of these rock slides. So I actually highly recommend Chen Farm in Batu Ferringhi. Very, very nice. Here in Batu Ferringhi, there's a tropical spice garden, so it's really big. I'm surprised. The thing I'm looking most forward to is the poisonous plants area. They said don't touch anything, don't smell anything. So I guess we're gonna hold our breath through that one.
You got me excited in 1,000 little ways.
Well, here we have leaf of God, carry me seed, a lot of different kinds, Indian penny wort, American coin wort, and Joseph coat, Star of Bethlehem, and wild cocaine. So I think we're gonna hang out over here for a while.
You got me feeling good. Oh.
I've always wondered what it felt like to have these little fish eating the skin off your feet. So this is awesome. It definitely tickles a little bit. We're about to enter the poison garden, so hold your breath. Consumption of any part of the plant can cause fever and vomiting, nervous dysfunction, convulsions, hallucinations, coma, and death. It looks harmless. Well, we survived the poison garden, but I almost killed myself going down those stairs. So I'm not sure which is more dangerous, deathly plants or rickety stairs. All right, here we have some termites. Ready for scale. This is called a red bark tree. See if you can guess why. All right, I'm gonna give a big thumbs up to the tropical spice garden in Batu Ferringhi. Highly recommend, come check it out. We're at Penang National Park and we're gonna take a boat ride to Monkey Beach. And you can also hike to Monkey Beach, but we're not gonna do that today. It's a pretty long hike and it's pretty hot. So we're gonna start with the boat and check it out, see how it goes. beach, and it's just, there's not a lot of tourists, so it's really quiet and peaceful. And yeah, it's nice. We're just gonna walk up and down the beach, and so far we have not seen any monkeys though, so it's not living up to its name. So maybe we'll get lucky. We're gonna go down the other end now. Well, guess what? There's monkeys on Monkey Beach. They're the same kind as we saw before, the long-tailed macaques, but they're so much fun to watch. So we're gonna spend a little bit more time here, take a dip in the ocean, and then head back.